Hello and welcome to Mark 101. I'm your tech advisor, Michael, and this is
Hello.
And we would like to say hello. Now, the joys of working from home is that sometimes you have to multitask. And one of the things I'm multitasking today is teaching you how to use a discussion space whilst I look after a 3-year-old. But we'll do this together. So, if you want to start a new thread in a forum, hopefully you've used forums before. It's very easy. We select our subject. So we'll just say hello, everyone, today. You might want to do this as a reply or whatever. We have many options. Obviously, you have your basic option of just typing. So we can type something funny. We don't book yet. This particular forum allows us to do a few other things. We can import a video, for example. So if we go to YouTube, we can, so if you want to put something on what is marketing, I'll just grab the link. Just 1 second. So we can grab the link, copy it, paste it, give it a name, what is marketing, and insert the media. Now, it doesn't look like a YouTube clip here, but it will be once you press enter, it will actually show the clip. If we want to use some more advanced functions, obviously we probably won't need the equation settings, but this little button here is one of my favorites. This allows you to record a video directly in front of you. So once you allow it, I won't record it now because we're already recording a video, but all you need to do is press record, just have a review of what it looks like and press play. It's important that these aren't too long, and we make sure that they're, around under a minute, or else the site might get a bit backed up. But that's how it is, how easy it is, and then you just press post to forum, and then boom.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And as you see there, you've got 30 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes, and after that, it's live. So I'll go in and delete this particular post, but that's how easy it is to use. MZ, do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you again soon.